Welcome to the Windows Club. Damaged or corrupt registry files can be a horror for users, and if you wish to repair them, then usually the ultimate solution would be to reset your PC. But prior to that, you can try the following solutions. The first solution would be to perform an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. This will open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will initiate the SFC scan, and once this is done you can reboot your computer, after which it will start replacing the missing and corrupt files. The second option would be to perform the DISM scan. The command for the DISM scan has been explained in this article on the Windows Club, the link to which has been shared in the description section. Copy and paste it in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter to initiate the DISM scan. However, these two scans help in replacing system files, and changes to the registry may or may not be because of missing system files. It can be because of a third-party software interfering with the system and a lot more. So the third solution would be to perform a system restore and restore your computer to a date when you were sure it was working well. So search for system restore in the Windows search bar and click on recovery. This will open the recovery panel. Go to open system restore and then it will initiate system restore. Choose a recommended or a pre-saved restore point and click on next to initiate the process. Ultimately, if everything else fails, you can consider resetting your Windows 10 computer to default. The procedure is as follows. Click on the start button, select settings, go to updates and security, go to the recovery tab, click on get started under reset this PC and select the option to keep your files or remove the files, and it will reset your PC settings to default, including the values of the registry editor. If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.